You are watching ANA Entertainment, and in this video you will learn how to make a ringtone for iPhone that's running on iOS 7. Okay, the first thing you do is open up App Store and search for RMaker. Probably stands for Ringtone Maker. Just search for that and download the application. Yeah, just select the song to start. Anything you want to be in your ringtone, and choose the length and when you want the song to start from. It has all kinds of settings you can do here, whatever you prefer. And now it's creating the ringtone. So now the ringtone is available on iTunes file sharing. You can go to it on your iTunes and go to apps. Go to the RMaker app. You just download it and created the ringtone, and there it is. That's the ringtone you just created. Save it to your desktop or wherever you want, and there you go. There's your ringtone. You can go to songs, music, and just drag the file there so you have the ringtone as music on your device, and you can set it up to be your ringtone. iTunes, selected files, click on it, apply. Now go to setting, sound, ringtone. Look for the sound, ringtone you just made, and check it. And this will be your ringtone. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe.